Supporting a friend struggling with anxiety can be incredibly rewarding, but it's important to do it in a way that feels genuine and helpful. The key is to be present, understanding, and supportive without overstepping boundaries. Start by actively listening when they share their experiences. Let them know you're there for them without judgment. Using simple phrases like, "I'm here for you," or "Tell me more about what you're going through." Validating their feelings is crucial. Avoid minimizing their anxiety with phrases like, "Just relax," or "Don't worry." Instead, try statements like, "That sounds really difficult," or "I can understand why you're feeling this way." Showing empathy involves putting yourself in their shoes and acknowledging their struggles. While you offer support, gently encourage them to seek professional help. You could say, "Have you considered talking to a therapist?" They could provide tools and strategies to manage your anxiety. Remember, patience is key. Anxiety is a complex issue, and progress isn't always linear. Be understanding if they have good days and bad days. Finally, encourage self-care practices. Suggest activities that help them relax and manage stress, like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. You could offer to join them in these activities, fostering a supportive and positive environment. The most important thing is to be a consistent, reliable source of support, offering a safe space where they feel comfortable being themselves.